Okay. Uh, Now this campaign will be for display advertisements. First of all, you will select create a campaign without a goal guidance. After that, you are going to select display advertisements. Run different kind of ads across the web. Now after that, use these conversion goals for campaign performance optimization. Okay, you have already created a conversion goal, but the code is not within your website, so we haven't attached this because this is just for practice. So what we are doing, it's fine, it's not attached, no worries. Now you will say standard display campaign or smart display campaign. You will go with smart display campaign, simplified setup and management. What they are going to do, they will target this will be used for remarketing campaigns. Okay, they are going to use users which are coming on your website. Okay, they will target those particular people. Now I will give a website, https apple.com, whatever you want to choose, you can choose, it's up to you. Smart display camp. Start new because already one ad is created, so they are asking, do you want to continue that one or you want to start a new campaign? So my campaign name is Smart Display Camp, whatever you want. Now you want to give a location, you can give your locations. Okay, you want to give your language, it's better to target in a separate language. Don't go for English and Arabic in the same advertisement, make it separately. Bidding conversion. Now in this one the conversions will be in very cheap price, like 0.01, 0.02, something like this. It will be really very cheap. So in 10-20 dirhams you can reach a lot of users. Okay, so set a target cost per action you want to target, but I don't suggest, don't target this one, leave it open, Google will optimize it accordingly. Give your budget, and yeah, there will be clicks and all that stuff, how many clicks you will get. Use dynamic feed to personalize your ad. Dynamic ads let you show personalized content based on what people have viewed on your website. If we will switch it on, there will be a business type, or like business type, for example I will say it's hotel and rental. Okay, you will be reminded to upload your feed when your campaign is ready. So they will ask for your feed, so you can skip this step right now because they will ask you for a specific website from where you will take data and put it here. But this one is not necessary, you can go without this also. Ad campaign name, what is your ad campaign name? Smart display. Now here they have given the specification. Targeting, automated targeting uses website visitors. They will use my website visitors, landing page insight, and your search campaigns. Okay, they will use the users who are coming on my website through search campaigns, who are coming on my websites from any other source. They will target those people and best performing keywords to automatically target customers across the website. They're going to target every customer which is coming on my website, and they are leaving my website going to any other website. They are going to target to all those users. Okay, yeah, this will be done automatically because we selected smart display campaign. Okay, if you will select standard, you have to go and give all the details by yourself, but smart, yeah, but in smart one everything will come automatically. Now create your ads. What you can do, you can give a URL, you can give your business name, Apple Inc. You can give your images, suggest images. Now they are suggesting some images. Let's go and scan Apple website. Okay, so there are the images for Apple. I will see that. I will select the ratio. I will select these cell phones also, this MacBook. I will say Twitter Apple, Instagram Apple. Instagram Apple is not recommended. Okay. So for example, this is enough just for a practice reason. This is enough. 7, 8 images are enough. If you want to go to YouTube, write Apple INC. So this is Apple's video now. The new MacBook Air 13 days ago. Okay. So this is check this video. Take a URL of this video. For example, you are creating an advertisement for MacBook. So you can go to videos and click plus and search from YouTube and the new MacBook Air. Save. Go to logos and choose this Apple logo. Select two ratios and save. Now see your advertisement is ready. Okay. Now website and apps Google property. On websites, same like you go to Khaleej Times, you will see an advertisement after 2 seconds, 5 seconds max. Now this is an advertisement. Okay, this is a display advertisement, right? See this one, ads by Google, it will be mentioned. Okay, or from any other platforms, ads by Google, it's mentioned. Okay, so this is how these ads appear. These are known as display advertisements. Okay, now all the website and application Google properties. What are the Google properties? Gmail, YouTube, and all that platform. On Gmail also you will saw this thing. In website and applications, key ad format. What are the formats? You have image format, text, native, video ads. All these ads will appear on different platforms. After that, headlines. The new MacBook, the super is here. Okay, you can give more and more headlines. Buy MacBook Pro, buy Apple MacBook Pro. That's fine. Give more headlines, long headlines. Like let's go here and see what they have given. Take the headlines like this. You want to give more description, give more description. Supercharged by M2, powerful, whatever you can give. It's long enough. It's enough. Okay. And simply you can go for more option. If you want call to action text, you want to give automated, it will come. If you want to give learn more, you can simply give learn more call to action. And add to ad group. Okay. And simply create a campaign. If you want to create one more ad, you can create. That's not an issue. Okay, continue to campaign, and that's all. In this also we can create ad groups, right? Yeah, in this also you can create ad group. So your campaign is created. That's the easiest way to create display ads.